Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel today with Eunice. Today, I meet two beautiful friends. What's your name?
My name is Rodilis Ditagulo from Tugod Bako.
Okay, but short name is Flor.
Flor.
Flor. Okay.
Other call me Ganggam.
Ganga, the nickname.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, Flor, how old are you?
I'm running 32 this kind of October.
Oh, okay. So, you're the 32 years old, becoming 32 years old. Are you single or married?
Married with
Married.
two kids.
Oh, two kids. How many years for married?
8 years.
8 years. Wow, congrats. So your husband, what is job?
Promodizer.
Ah, where?
Handyman.
I did not. It's nice, Crocodizer, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Almost 10 years.
Wow, so long. 10 years for working in handyman, Crocodizer.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then you working here in Crispy.
Yeah.
And then like how many years?
Months for
4 months? Oh, okay. So every day working here?
oh
And then, what time the open the Crispy?
we open here in at 5:30 and close until 10 p.m.
Oh, okay. So, uh, what time for a lot customer?
Around 11 at
Ah,
exact and PM mga almost 6 5 6 to 8.
this a customer.
uh,
But the perspective is a lot brands, no?
yeah,
And then,
nine franchise only franchise.
okay.
The owner of this has 10
Oh,
franchise.
I see. But this Crispy King guys is very cheap, right?
Yeah,
Can you tell Flor?
only 52 you can eat with one chicken and one rice.
Red soft drink.
No water.
How okay, so
Pero ma-opening we have free drinks.
ah, okay. But you have a day off.
Yeah,
What
once
day?
once a week.
Once a week.
It depends on you.
Ah, okay. And then how many people working here?
Three.
Three people. Oh, okay. But what is your position all around?
Cashier, cook, crew.
Cashier.
Cook, crew.
Cashier and cook.
Crew. Crew.
Oh.
Dish out.
Wow, you're very.
All around. Kami na.
Okay, wow, you're so hard working. And you told me you've been working in
MK.
Escobar?
MK Ristobar. Junari, last ay Junari.
Okay.
1 month.
So what is your position there? Same?
Cashier, cook.
Okay. So what is the better? Crispy cake or restaurant?
Speaking.
Crispy cake. Because
The salary
salary.
is minimum.
Wow. Like how much the salary? Like how much the
4
salary?
to 5.
Huh?
4 to 5. Here.
Huh?
Here?
Yeah.
4 to 5.
Once a day. How much? 400.
4 to 5. If you want to stay, you have double.
Wow. It's good. And then include the benefits. What kind of the benefits?
SS pag-ibig ka na.
Oh, it's good. Because if you're getting 60 years old, you have the
Oh,
pension.
pension. Pension ka problema.
It's good because it's not all the a job. They have
Not
the
all
benefits.
job has a benefits.
Yeah. It's very important you have a benefits because if you're getting 60, you have a pension.
You have a pension.
Yes. So, Flor, if you're come here for work, are you riding the motorbike or you're...
I have my own motorcycle.
Ah, okay.
Scooter.
Like, how many minutes for drive?
10 to 15.
Wow. How many speed you're driving? 40?
Oh.
Wow, you're very
So,
fast.
no. Guigura.
So, how you learn to drive?
Own.
Ah, like
When
how
I-
many years you're driving?
Almost 3 years na.
3 years? Wow. And
I
then you-
decided to drive because of my son. Yun. She, and then his school, so, paano?
you drive. You
Para
drive
yun
the
sa
school. Oh, okay. Because your husband is very early to go to work.
work.
Oh, I see. It's nice because if you know how to drive, where you go, no need for waiting for tricycle, yeah, right? And then it's very cheap in the gasolina, right? If you buy the 100 pesos, you're getting 1 week.
Oh, magpapakyaw pa ka, 150.
Oo. So it's good you know how to drive. But the first time you're practicing driving, you're not flying.
Lots of experience.
Can you share?
Ah,
Can you share here? Because before I'm the practicing for driving the motorbike, I flying 2 times.
sa lahat ko sa kuan. Ning kabalo pa ng kuan up here.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, nisalaan ko dito.
Oh.
Ako ka control. I don't control the kuan.
Your gas is,
Oh.
and then,
Mo to ni. Padulong siya sa patubo. Padulong siya sa napiran.
okay, and then you not have the your
Dali lang.
other side.
Oh, my
scratch.
mother saw me.
Oh my god. You not broke.
Yan siya itong ayaw nagkusba to.
Your shoulder not broke.
Wala, no.
Oh, it's good. But you're not feeling trauma. You're not feeling afraid.
I stopped. 1 month.
Oh, yeah, then you come back.
Oh.
It's so hard for if you're experienced for accident
Yes.
because you have taken bad memory. Yeah. So, Flor, I will back with you. You told me your stop the college, third year college.
Yes.
Why?
Because
That time you're pregnant.
pregnant.
But 1 year only, right?
Paano siya? Third year, first sem. I stopped in third year, second sem siya. Wala akong siya ikuan ako.
Okay. So if, for example,
If I pursue,
if you're back to the college, to the school, what grade if you back? For
Third year.
Third year?
second sem.
Oh.
But wala rin ako siya kundi. I asked with my neighbor.
Okay.
Sa nurse, magulahin na siya. Kaya umubalik ko.
Okay.
Umubalik na ako sa back to zero. Kaya ang curriculum nila, nagbago sila.
So you mean if you're back to the college, back to the school, you back to the
zero.
beginning,
Oh.
like first year college.
But if umunahan ko mo sa school lang, never mo ko na ako flying kurso. Pero as of now, wala sa kay. I focus with my kids.
Oh.
Kay makuha na siya, complicated na.
Complicated.
Nanapa ko buhi. I have,
I asked the floor guys if she back to the school, are you feeling to back to the school? And then Flor told me it's complicated because she have a kids. So she focus the kids and she focus to the work. And then she have animals, cow and pig.
cow and goat.
Wow, cow and goat.
Last year, I have a pig.
And then you go sell the pig and then you can buy the scooter. Wow.
And a half.
And then you build that small house. Wow, it's good.
Almost 10 years.
10 years.
Uh,
Wow. For the
not only my pig, but my brother also.
with brother.
Because my brother is a seaman.
Seaman, your brother.
Oh,
Until now, he's working in Seaman.
seaman din. Sunod na ako.
Who's
Muna
the,
ako.
who's the eldest? Your brother or you?
I'm the youngest.
The youngest. So how many siblings your family?
5.
5. So the eldest, how old?
41?
41.
Oh.
Okay. And then your brother Seaman, how old?
34.
34. I see. So that is your
Sunod me.
that is again
Next to me.
the business in the animals.
But now we have Rhode Island chicken.
Wow. Like
My daughter mo pakuan niya mapakaon. Sa ako nang magulang.
it's nice. And then you have a goat.
Oh,
Like how many goat?
one
One goat. Girl or boy?
girl.
It's nice. Because if you have the animals, guys, like how many months the goat before?
4 months.
4 months?
Uh,
And this is
a
it's
bird.
okay for
Bird.
pregnant? Oh wow, it's nice.
The cow is 9 months and 10 days.
Oh, nice, huh? It's good business, no? Because the
Mas mayo na nakaibuhi kay
yes, for if you're
in case of the emergency.
yeah. Good. It's good, Flor, because good is breakfast for grow up and then only grass eating.
Oh, ang grass.
Yeah.
Baka ba yun mo siya kuan na ning kapamilya.
Oh, I see. But now is summer. It's
Oh,
so hard to find the grass.
Palit me.
So tuloy guys you buy the grass?
Oh, my husband, before siya mauli,
Oh,
muna mo palit ko siya dito sa kuan. Near in,
bako.
oh, diya sa
Banilan.
Banilan.
Oh, like how much the parcel the grass?
Well, it depends. Tan ang iyahang bukos.
10 pesos for
Then, sa one sack,
Mhm.
and it costs with 130.
Oh, expensive. Because in now guys, very hot. The grass is dry.
Mm.
So it's so hard to, we need to buy the,
O sometimes, mangwa, may palwa, mo rin, may pakaon. Yung mga
the
na,
coconut leaves.
oh, before ko mo anhin trabaho, before I go to work, ayun na ako na siya din. Nagalan ako siya noon din. After, if I mo-work ko 10, mo-out ko 2, break time,
Okay.
so ako siya nakakaulo. After that, nanood, nagpa-5, before bumalik na po ko, nagaan ako, doon sa ako mo balik.
So when if you break time, you're going home.
Oh,
And then how many
2.
hours for break time?
2 to 5.
Wow, so good. It's nice. Yes. And then,
Balik kag 5. Ikaw na 10.
wow, it's nice work her. And then, if you parcel the cow floor, like how much?
It depends.
Depends.
Oh, sa kadakod.
For big, like bigger the cow.
Oo, grasa. Sa English, grasa.
Super big.
Oh, rasa. If the, paano siya, rasa, depende pa kung sa kung sa, kung rasa hot, niya, usay po siya latipa, ako siya 25,
Ah,
yung
wow, it's
latipa,
very expensive,
basta rasa.
guys.
Pero kung katurang Bisayaon na nanay, tag 15 ra po. Pero,
But it's expensive, 15,000.
pero sa never na mo, kung sila, library dyan, na halin ng cost of 70.
Wow, it's nice. Only the figure the animal is 9 months and then already is already for sale. The 9 months, 9 months.
Dili pa.
Like how many months before the
Malukas
for
pa na siya ang mga kuha ng latiog. Mga 6 months.
6 months? So like 1 year.
Oh,
Wow, it's nice guys. The business guys, cow. And then if you for sale, if the bigger the cow is 70,000.
it depends
It depends the is fat the cow or straight. And the straight cow is like 50,000.
Oh, it depende. Di man ko siya magka-predict. Depende po sa kuan ba season.
Wow, it's nice. It's nice the business, but you need to hard work, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to always take care.
Manage your time. Because manage your time also.
But it's good because you have a work, and your husband he have a work too, right? And then you have the if you have the emergency, you have animals, the person. Yes. So, Flor, what do you like to introduce if we have my subscriber to come to the Philippines for the tourist spot?
Hi. If you have if
Vacation.
you have plans to go here in the Philippines, for me the best spot is here in Valencia.
Valencia.
Pedra Falls.
Waterfalls. Okay.
Sierra Alta
Oh yeah, you've been in Arta. What is your
experience.
Yeah.
The place is unahan siya ka magmuni-muni. Ano
So,
galing?
guys, muni like you
Yeah.
like relaxing, thinking.
Thinking
Okay.
thinking of problem. Ay ragtog pa dito sa kuan.
It's very fresh air and a very
I
nice
have
mountain. But do you have the entrance fee in Arta?
100.
100 pesos?
Muna siya kalabanan og magpakasal dito ang reception.
But before it's free, no entrance fee,
Oh,
right?
nakalakon ko. I experienced that. Third high school, college.
And then now they have the entrance fee, 100
Oh,
pesos.
100.
Oh, I see. Because it's the business.
Yeah. Also the barn daw, the barn.
On the burn.
Pero wala pa ko, pero tsada daw dito. Nice.
Close in Tirarta.
Oh, near.
How about Mingo Buns? Mingo Buns?
Wala ko kundi.
Front of the Tirarta. Mingo Mingo Buns.
Mango buns.
Yeah, that is the
Sa una no sa
restaurant.
Chiraan tanong sa Little Baguio daw na.
Little
O sa
Baguio.
una tong muna ilahang sa Landan. Susan's Cafe. Mura siya kuan, New Zealand style.
Are you been there?
Oh, lang. Dugay na. Gamay pas dudong. Mga almost 5 years, 6 years. So, siya imong the best experience. So, nakaliya sa dakaon. Natuyong ko, murag, maganda ka lang. Naghan kaso, pero mga planta na dahil ito.
That is your introduce to my subscriber in vacation here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
There are the park in Valencia, guys. And especially
And the people.
especially
Ano?
here in the public market Valencia every Sunday.
Okay.
Yes, a lot the people, a lot the wholesale. Vegetable.
Here in Philippines,
Yeah,
the people here is kuan,
friendly
friendly.
and very kind.
Very kind.
And then, Flor,
if you have
you can
Promote.
invite your work.
Hi.
You can promote. That's the name.
Hi, and not only here, pero kung di mo ka-count diri, another crispy cake, please experience the chicken.
Yes, but it's nice here, guys, because if you're asking, what is the name of Flor? Flor is assist with you for the if you buy the
O here in Valencia to, ako mismo, ang kauban, maluto po ni, cashier cook. So,
okay. And very cheap, right? The chicken, how much the big chicken?
40.
40
So,
pesos.
mga yung mong dabok, tagaan po no.
Wow!
Oh,
How
nadyo, dili ko din sa mga bata, ara po, na po yung mga dago nga.
Wow!
Oh, pwede mga isang dabok, kay
Wow!
sumsuman daw
We have a
nila.
free, guys. If you want the small chicken, like that.
Anang iyahang murag, iyahang panit.
Like the chicharon, like that.
Chicharon.
Yeah. And then how much the rice?
12.
12 pesos.
Mahal ng bugas. Taon
Yeah.
natin, na daw na.
So 2 pesos for increase the price.
Right.
But if you have 100 pesos, you're
Oo, busog na ka. Ano, if you eat 2 rice, 1 chicken, 64. Then, the drinks, Magincho, 20. The Pepsi is 1.
it's good. It's nice.
The water is free.
Free water.
The water is, pwede po, if you want na cold, piso, hulog ka dito
It's
sa
1 peso,
baso.
guys.
Oh.
If you want the cold with ice,
Hulog ka dito, piso na.
1 peso. So, Flor, thank you so much for your sharing for your life story and your working here in Crispy Cake. And guys, see you next video. Bye-bye. Thank you, Flor.
Bye-bye.